Oh, yeah, John.
Yeah.
John.
Let's make them guzzle some syrup.
Big John.
Wait, that's a
Didn't
team
I
of
just
6,
hear
bro.
somebody talking about syrup before?
No, we weren't talking about syrup. We were talking about Paul. The
No,
guy's
the
name is
last game
Paul.
We're talking
someone
about
just talking about
Wisconsin.
guzzling syrup.
I
Yeah,
feel
Canadian
like...
syrup.
Welcome to
yeah.
Canada.
Is that Tilly? Do we got Tilly back? No, Mustache. Yeah,
Tilly's
it's
in the
Mustache,
chat.
man.
We're gonna be on the same team because there's a team of 6 on fucking.
Well, at least that team of 6 is all like Xbox. No, it's our team now.
They are on Xbox.
One's on PlayStation.
Do you play
You.
on PlayStation?
One's
You know
got the
what
sweet controller.
They're all like screaming at each other from the controllers.
I'm on PC. I control this fucking lobby.
You lost last time, Mustache.
Shut
You
up.
forgot.
You started making me think about my cereal.
Dude, no one wants
Actually,
to
I
hear
got it.
about
Is that
your
what,
syrup.
is that what Wisconsin's called?
I do a little bit,
Very
actually.
ejaculate?
Bro, this pancake sausage and fucking double stacked butter with pancakes. I mean, yeah, syrup, whatever I just said. Jesus Christ. Stop distracting me. I need to win this
Hey,
game.
watch out behind you, Cherries up top by the water tower.
I may dazzle in the fucking syrup, but I dabble in the
Dude, I
fucking
can't hear
addition to
them
it.
when you're talking about syrup this whole fucking time, bro. I need you to chill out.
We get it. You're fat.
Yeah, dude. We get it, man.
Dude, I'm not saying I have a high metabolism.
That's what they all say, bro.
Can we all just shut up and focus?
Dude,
No, we're having fun.
shut the fuck
How about you
up.
shut the fuck
Go
up?
back and party check it, dude.
Blame you for most of this.
Yeah, go back to the Discord, faggot. Oh, wait, that's me. Alright.
Whoa.
Down the
You said the hard R.
the tunnel, down tunnel.
Make him. Damn, bro, you just sent him back to the Guadalcanal, bro. Jesus Christ.
What do you know about Guadalcanal?
I don't fucking know. That's the first thing that came to my mind. I have the tism.
Why would that come in your mind?
Because he likes the halls of Tripoli as well.
I like history.
Yeah, dude, you weren't there, bro.
I
Incheon,
like the
Honolulu.
history. You want to know the whole story about syrup and me? No, I'm kidding.
So what? I love Pacific. It's my favorite series on HBO.
No, my favorite series is Game of Thrones. I don't care.
Oh, probably because of the penis.
Or the syrup.
Yikes.
We know.
Yeah, I love the scene when he cut off his penis, yeah. I want to be like him someday. I look up to him.
Oh shit, Good's right behind the barrel in the tunnel.
Oh, he's right behind me. Uh-oh. Hey, he killed me.
That's cool. They can push hold.
Get to nuke, get to nuke, get to nuke. Back alley.
You guys sure do sound like fucking competitive players. I ain't gonna
With
lie.
you, mate.
They're training. They're practicing.
Autistic players?
Yeah. For silver.
Yeah, this is off season.
This is our season.
Off season.
Oh, well, this is my. This is fucking. Oh, this is.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
out of
this
syrup
is
out of your
fucking-
ears, bro.
Anyone got a trophy system they can throw up?
We already have 2 on point.
Okay,
I
that's
just got mine.
Oh,
from seat. From seat. Laundromat.
they don't call me a Skidrow for nothing.
I'm gonna head over
Ow.
to barbershop.
Oh, they got me coming back.
Yep.
Got the tunnel covered up.
The barbershop?
Yeah, barber.
Barbershop.
This 10v10
Now, Chuck,
games could always be a good match. God damn.
Is there a proximity bomb?
Yeah, I got a couple of them.
Shit.
Oh,
I
saw
couldn't
my
get
second floor,
What's coming in? Main window?
They're in the house.
bro. They're on the
Check,
second
check,
floor,
check.
mid.
There's 3 now.
Watch out, garage.
There's 2.
They got incendiary.
Yeah, he didn't chase.
They're still up there.
Wow. Shotgun, sick.
He said, welcome to the
Above the laundromat.
Yeah, on the roof? What the hell? Oh! They're on the roof.
Fuck, man. Fuck, dude.
Oh, yeah, they got us.
Ooh.
How are we winning? I've been getting raped by fucking 7-year-old tryhard this whole game.
Can't see through that smoke, but he can see me just fine, apparently.
He wants to
Maybe he has a
smoke.
thermal.
No, it just wasn't registering for him.
Hey, can someone hang out by the broken wall?
No,
That's
I'm
what the
in
new
I'm
P1 is going to be?
No, here. Take this one.
Anybody
you
watching
don't
the
even
ticket?
know. You don't even know.
There's one in this back alley here.
Garage. Oh,
Dude, fuck.
kind of bad.
Somebody eating a keyboard?
Hey!
Mustache.
Hey! I knew you keep chill.
They're cherries, bro. They're cherries.
I got you.
Cherry keyboard. Linear switch.
Oh god, don't look on that hallway. They're at the end of the staircase. Goddamn, this guy.
What the fuck are these?
Up your butt. Oh, goddamn, he's right there. I don't know that.
Wow, there's 3 of them with fucking glints. Just get to 2, get to P2, get to P2.
I know, but they got a clutch amount of garage, I believe.
Hardpoint relocating. Stand by. Hardpoint relocating.
Ah,
Target area.
oh, we spawned P2.
No, one in garage.
1 tunnel, 1 flash tunnel, or stun tunnel. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to do that. Trophy on time.
Bruh.
Please watch tunnel cross, please.
I knew he was coming. I ruined it for him. So.
Got him on the run.
I got garage.
Maybe.
UAV online.
They got a juggernaut coming into the hallway, second floor.
Hostile
Mid.
care package.
He's don't come into this goddamn. He came into the room. He came into the room. God damn it. I unloaded my last clip on him. Yeah.
I've got the garage covered. Or at least the entrance to the back alley.
Through the tunnel.
Once.
One in the corner on the outside of the map. I don't know fucking college, dude. I don't even know college. MW19 and 22. Or MW2.
Dude, what are you talking about, bro?
I'm trying to get call-outs on it, and I'm telling the whole fucking story. I'm sorry.
It's all good. You'll learn them. What? Why is he doing construction? What the fuck?
There's 2 right
Hey,
there.
take me back to MW19 and I will fucking wreck kids.
What is that?
I don't know, the dude's still eating his keyboard.
They're still back steps.
Say we won! We won! We fucking guzzled syrup down their throat like Canadians.
You guzzled 0 seconds of syrup. I just want to tell you that.
I got 12 full quarts of syrup in their throat.
Hey, you
I
got the
didn't
last
get
kill,
the
though.
Yeah,
Look at
yeah.
you.
Don't
That's
see?
the YT
You know,
stands for.
that
Is that
might
what you
say,
did?
yeah, they might say 12 kills, but that's actually 12 quarts of syrup, so.
Oh my god. You guys are encouraging him?
You're the one that brought it up.
He started chill and then just went off the deep end, like excitement level.
Dude, he got
He had
super
friends to talk
excited.
to, you know?